how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, I will be showing you everything I got from Shein and how you can get similar stuff on Myntra. I've also left links down below, and there's also an iPhone 12 giveaway towards the end of the video, so stick around for that because that's going to be massive. And this is it's a real thing, guys. It's actually happening. You stand a chance to win the iPhone 12, so make sure you stick around till the end because I'll tell you how you can participate and how you can win it. A huge thank you to Gopaisa for organizing this giveaway. It's massive and you guys have to participate. Now, just for context, because we have a few new people who have joined, I'm in London. I'm currently doing my master's at King's College London, and this is my room. For old viewers, this is a change of scenery, but I just hope you guys like it. I'm still setting it up, still things are coming, they're arriving, putting everything in place, but basically this is where I think I'm going to be filming for the rest of the year. Anyway, for now I really want to do my skincare. I already curled my hair, I took a bath, but it's been quite some time and I really want to just wash my face, put my moisturizer, and I got my good old trusted N&D products with me. And then I'll be making some cereal because I'm very hungry, and cereal is like the easiest thing to make and super quick, and it's just something that I don't struggle with basically. So I'm going to be doing that. And I got this very nice new cereal. It's got strawberry chunks in it. But for now, let's move on to the skincare. I don't have any classes today, so it's like relatively a more relaxed day. So I might even go out in the evening. But anyway, moving on. Time for skincare. The Hydra cleanser is ideal to cleanse the skin before makeup and even to remove light makeup, which is usually what I do on an everyday basis. When using before makeup, Dermavive's oatmeal cleanser helps to gently clean the skin without drying it. It also maintains the pH of the skin to keep it healthy, fresh and soft. Now I'll be following it up with Neutriderm's moisturizing lotion with special vitamin E. Underneath any makeup, it's important that you keep the skin hydrated and moisturized, and this is where Neutriderm works like a charm. It protects the skin from environmental damage and pollution, and what I love is how gentle it is on the skin. These products are suitable for all skin types and all age groups, and I've placed the links down below, so make sure you check them out. They're also available on Myntra. Alright, so skincare is done. My skin just feels so nice and plump every time I put this moisturizer. I love it. I love it so much. And the link is down below in case you want to check it out. It feels so nice and light on your skin and not at all greasy how a lot of moisturizers do feel. Anyway, now it's time to make cereal. So let's do that. I'm now going to be having my cereal and then I will do some makeup and then I'll show you everything I got. In this video, I'll basically be showing you Indian alternatives to everything that I got from Shein and things you can find on Myntra. We'll be comparing the price point, the quality and the design. So I think you're going to really like it. All the links are down in the description box below, and you can get a lot of cashback every time you shop on platforms like Myntra, Ajio, Amazon and so many more. I will talk about how you can get that in just some time, but trust me, it's something that you don't want to miss. Now moving on, the first thing I got is this lovely dress that's got these balloon sleeves going on. It's a lovely beigeish color, off-white beigeish color. And I love the detailing on the chest. I love how they've given these frills over here, even on the shoulder. I just think it's so nice and so bubbly, and just the color is such that it is a very neutral color, so of course looks really classy. This is a dress that you can wear in summers as well as in winters if you pair it with leggings or with slacks, and if you wear boots with it, it's going to look perfect for the autumn season. And of course if you wear it just as a dress and with maybe sandals or heels, you can wear it in summer months. So this is the first thing I got, and something very similar I saw on Myntra. Now this dress was for about 15 pounds. Just to make it easy to understand, just multiply whatever number I say by 100 and you'll know the value in rupees. It's an approximation, of course it's not exactly accurate, but just to get an idea. So this you can say was for 1500 rupees, and something very nice and very similar that I saw on Myntra is also for 1500 rupees. It's 1598. It is from Sanj and it's this lovely white dress that's got this pom-pom detailing going on. I love the sleeves, I love the pleating going on the waist, and I love the pom-pom detailing absolutely. I even love the neckline. It's somewhat similar to this. If you're looking for something that's got more of balloon sleeves, I would highly recommend checking out this one from Sassafras. It's also got longer length, so if that is a concern, then obviously you can check out this one. It is for 873 rupees, which is an even better amount to pay. And they also have another one which is of a shorter length, and it's got balloon sleeves. It's from Diva Walk exclusive, and this is for 764 rupees, and it's in this pinkish color, which is so pretty. I also love that they've given like a tie-up detail on the front. So these are three very nice dresses that I saw on Myntra, which are very similar to this one. I would highly recommend. My personal favorite is the one from Sanj. Now moving on to the second thing I got from Shein, I got this very nice pink colored top. What I loved in this was, first of all, the length of it. It's not too short, it's not too long, so you know, it is just the perfect length. And for college, although you can wear like literally anything over here, but even then, like, you know, I just prefer wearing something more modest, in all honesty. So this is what I got. And then this has this very gorgeous lace detailing going on in the front, I mean on the collar. The sleeves are again very nice and very classy. This I imagine pairing with like white jeans or with white pants, or even with black, but more so with white. This was for £12, which is approximately 1200 rupees. And something very similar that I saw on Myntra was this top. This is from Athena, and this is for 849 rupees, which is again, you know, a very low price compared to what I paid for this top. The color, of course, is slightly different. I couldn't find the exact pink shade, but this one looks really nice, and it looks very, you know, it just adds so much element to your outfit in general. And wherever you wear it, people will notice that you're not just wearing something very simple, you've put an effort into it. So it's just one top and it can literally transform your look. I really like this. I love the balloon sleeve again. I think I'm just obsessed with balloon sleeves. This top again has very beautiful detailing going on throughout the waist. Even these ruffles on the waist look really nice. This they have in three colors: coffee brown, nude, and blue. So you can actually, you know, try all of them if you want, or you can see whichever color is your favorite. I really like nude and blue. Both of them I think are lovely colors, pastel colors, so you can pair with a lot of things as well. The material for this is cotton, so of course it's going to be very comfortable. The material for this is not cotton, by the way. Even the one on Myntra has this very nice Peter Pan collar, and I think that's what really sets this sort of style apart from the rest. Now moving on, I got this checkered dress from Shein. This again I wore the other day, and I just really felt so comfortable in it. And I wore this with black leggings because it was cold that day, and with small booties. But you can wear this just as a dress, of course. And something very similar, actually 90% of it was literally the same as what I saw on Myntra. Now this one was for £15.49, which is 1,549 rupees, and the one on Myntra is for 989 rupees. Again, you kind of save like 500 rupees, and what you get is literally the same thing, similar if not the same. Now the material for this says viscose rayon, and again it's got puff sleeves similar to this. So this one also has puff sleeves, as you can see. This one has a collar and buttons going on. That again has collars and buttons going on. The color for this is blue and sort of beige. The color for that is green and red, I would say. But they also have a couple of other colors on Myntra from what I believe. So you can have a look. Just search for shirt dresses and you'll be able to find a lot of options. But this one was what I thought was literally very similar to this what I got from Shein, so I really wanted to show it to you guys. The color, the design, the cut, balloon sleeves, literally everything is similar. I do have a lot of other things that I also got from Shein, but before I show you those, let me tell you, you can literally buy similar things and you're not really missing out on anything. You can get the best of styles and the best of designs from Myntra, and now I'll also give you a bonus tip with which you can get a lot of cash back. All you have to do is shop via Gopaisa, which is an online coupon and cashback app. So you can earn cashback on over 1500 websites like Flipkart, Ajio, Myntra, Amazon, and so much more. And the best part is it's very easy to use. Just sign up with your phone or email ID, select the store from where you want to shop, and click on the cashback button. It will redirect you to the website, then just shop normally as you do, and your cashback will be tracked within 24 hours. You can then transfer this amount straight to your bank account, and if you download the app using the link given in the description box right now, you will get 25 rupees cashback instantly. And something very cool that I really liked on Gopaisa was that you can basically invite your friends to join Gopaisa, and every time that your friend buys something and gets a cashback, you get a 10% referral earning. So basically, if your friend gets a cashback of 2500, you get 250 rupees just because you referred that friend to Gopaisa. So that's how cool it is, that's how easy it is. Now moving on with the haul, and the next thing I got from Shein was this floral flounce sleeve top, and this again has very nice detailing going on right here. It's got this beautiful floral print going on throughout, and I love the color. I love how simple and elegant it is, and it's something that's, you know, very feminine, if I may say so. I really like it. The material is cotton, and it's got this very nice shirt detail as well. To me, this gives a very bohemian, a very casual summery vibe. And the price for this is 11.49, which is basically 1150 rupees. And something very similar that I saw on Myntra was this top. Now this of course has different sleeves. It's got, I believe, shorter sleeves, but again it is so similar to this one, and it's got this smock detailing going on. It's got the floral print going on. The color is the same. The base color is white, and the flowers are pink here, and the flowers on this were red. Honestly, I find this one a lot better than the one that I got. So again, given a chance, I would have definitely gone for this one. I love that the length is also a little more, and you can actually tuck it in because the length for this is cropped. So if you want to wear it with high-waisted jeans or something, this will look perfect. And then this one has more of a peplum fit, because if you see the photos, the top kind of goes a little outwards towards the end. But again, I love the neck. It's somewhat similar, somewhat exactly the same thing as this. Price for this is 1,590 rupees, but of course they keep having a lot of sales, and you can also get a lot of cashback if you shop via Gopaisa. Now moving on to the next thing I got, it's this vest sweater. Now I've been seeing these so many times on so many different apps and platforms, and I've just been like, you know what, I need to try this out. So this I will be wearing with like a collared white shirt and with jeans or with jeggings or something like that. You can also layer it up during winter months, and you can wear a nice trench coat with it, which is something that I do want to do in the very near future. So this style and this design is just something you should definitely have. Just have at least one in your wardrobe and you'll be sorted. The price for this on Shein was £6.5, which is roughly 650 rupees. I got this in the size medium because when you're wearing winter clothing, you would want to clad up well, and so you do layer on a little bit. So your size anyway goes from S to M and from M to L. So just for sweaters, I generally go one size above my actual size. So that's why I got this. And something very similar that I saw on Myntra was on, I think, H&M's page on Myntra, because H&M has a lot of sweater tops. They're always on top of the trends, and this one was in grey. I unfortunately couldn't find a beige one, or maybe it was out of stock, I don't remember, but this grey one looks very similar. It's got this lovely ribbed texture, and anything ribbed just looks very luxurious and very instantly very sophisticated. Now on Myntra, this sweater vest is for 799 rupees. So this one is really nice. If you want something in more of a beige or brown color, they have this one. It's this beige rip knit slip over, and of course it's not got a V-neck, but the color is same, and it's really long, so you can tuck it in, and that looks very smart. This of course is a little expensive. It's for 2,000 rupees, but again, it's something that if you want to buy or if you're interested in, you can have a look at that. Links are down below. Very similar to that, I also got this blue cable knit sweater vest. Again, I really like this blue color. It's a very it's a powder blue color. Again, it's just something that is perfect for this season right now, so definitely something that you can have a look at. The price for this was again £6.5, which is 650 rupees. And something very similar that I saw on Myntra was this blue self-design extended sleeves regular top from Mango. The price for the one from Mango is obviously more. That is because the one from Mango is knitted and the one that I have is acrylic, so obviously there's a big difference there. So definitely check it out. I love their sizes. Anything from Mango, you will be you'll just be happy with it when you wear it. Next up, I have this skirt. I've seen this skirt so many times in places like Zara or H&M, and I've just always wanted to get one for myself, but I really wanted to get like a white and black one, so I got this. Again, I love the detailing going on. It's got this zip. I love the length as well. It's a good length because it's slightly cold and I can't just wear this as it is. I wear it with leggings or with slacks, so that's just a good way to style it, and with a high neck. I also posted a photo wearing this a couple days ago, and so many people were like, where did you get this from? This is from Shein, of course, but you can also get a very similar skirt from Myntra. So the one I got from Shein was for 9.99, which is basically 1,000 rupees, and the one that is there on Myntra is from this brand called Tulip 21, and it's for 959 rupees, and it's somewhat similar. It's got this black and white checkered design going on, and you can again wear this with slacks or with leggings, and it looks so nice, and with boots. It's just a style that is it's an evergreen thing. It's so classy, it's so luxurious, it's never going to go out of style. So trends might come and go, but these staples, these classics will always be there, so it's always a good idea to invest in these. And this one from Alan Solly Women, which is a very good brand, by the way. Very nice style, very nice design, and very good quality. I've always been a fan of their quality. It's for 9.99. It's slightly longer, so if length is an issue for you, and if you just in general don't want to wear leggings or something and you want a slightly longer skirt, this one is perfect. It's just above your knees, not too high up, so looks very nice. And you can wear these with bellies, you can wear these with flats, you can wear these with heels, and this is more of a wrap skirt. So this again is just a great style. It's got pockets as well, which this one does not have, by the way, so definitely something you can check out. The next thing that I got from Shein was this shrug. This one is beige, again goes with everything, and the thing is, here everybody just sort of wears neutrals. Nobody wears like really bright tacky colors, bright, you know, loud colors. Most people just wear like black, white, beige, grey, browns, all of these colors, and that's what I'm a fan of since the very beginning. So this is what I got, and this I like to pair with literally everything, with skirts, with tops and jeans, with, you know, everything, even sometimes with dresses. I just wear this and it's super cozy and very comfortable. Now this is for £16 on Shein. They have it in about 20 to 25 colors on Shein. So there's apricot, there's blue, there's grey, there's red, there's purple, there's yellow, there's like a bunch of colors. On Myntra I saw something very similar. It's the same color. It's a beige rib knit cardigan, and this one is a little shorter than this, which I kind of like. I mean, if again given an option, I would rather choose the smaller one because it falls really perfectly on the waistline, and this is for $14.99, so somewhat the same price again. And this you can actually buy in a large size. If you want an oversized fit, I would generally just go for like a larger size. This and the one on Myntra both have wide sleeves that are kind of close fitting towards the cuffs, and they have dropped shoulders, so kind of very similar in that aspect. The one on Myntra has buttons, which again is really cool because the one that I have does not have any buttons, and I'm usually, you know, when it's very cold, I'm just wrapping it around and moving. Those are all the things that I got from Shein. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can find similar stuff on Myntra sitting right at home. And the best bit is that Gopaisa is doing a giveaway in which they are giving an iPhone 12. All you have to do is make at least one transaction on Gopaisa and tell us why you made that transaction by tagging Gopaisa on Instagram. And then they'll be choosing a lucky winner who will win the iPhone 12. And remember, every time you shop, you get cashback over and above whatever sales and discounts are going on. I've left the link down in the description box, so make sure you check it out. And remember, online shopping se pehle, Gopaisa. Now that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. The link to my favorite face wash and moisturizer duo is down in the description box below. It's from NND and I would highly recommend you check it out. I've also placed the links to all the products from Myntra down in the description box below, so make sure you check it out and make sure you download Gopaisa. I'm going to see you guys next time. Till then, happy shopping.